Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers and students. This is the second video of the test statistic in which we are going to solve another numerical example to explain this concept in more detail. So let's start reading the question. First I am going to be reading question for you. After that we are going to discuss the solution to make it more clear. American theaters know that a certain hit ran an average of 84 days in each city. Please add this movie. And the corresponding standard deviation was 10 days. The manager of southeastern district was interesting in comparing the movie's popularity in his region with that in all of America's other theaters. He randomly chose 75 theaters in his region and found that they ran the movie an average of 81.5 days. First task related to this question is state appropriate hypothesis for testing whether there was a significant difference in length of the pictures run between theaters in the southeastern district and all of America's other theaters. At a 1% significance level, test these hypotheses. So let's move to the solution where we are going to be explain the test statistic in more detail in order to clarify the concept of the test statistic approach. Here is the solutions. I have gathered here all the given information here. N is equal to 75 sample size, mu is equal to 84 days, x bar given which is for the sample size 75 81.45 days. Standard deviation is also given was 10 days. Now we are going to handling the first task of this question by establishing or stating the hypothesis. H naught is equal to H is equal to 84 and no significant. H1 is equal to mu is not equal to 84. It is based on the total test that either it is exactly equal to 84 or not equal to 84. So here the part 1 is completed here in step 1. Now I am going to solve the task number B, which is started from also from point 1. So include point 1 in part B as well. So the second step is defining the level of significance. Alpha is equal to 0.01 and as is a two-tailed test, so it will be divided by 2 to 0.005. Now we are going to find the substance or critical region for this data sets. So look at this, mu is equal to 84 and half is 0.5 and half is 0.5. So here is the area 0.005 and 0.495, same is here. How I will get this one? If you subtract this value from 0.5, so you will get 0.495. From that Z table you will get this value minus 2.57. So as it is two tests, so same value in positive sign is appeared on the right hand side of this distribution 2.57. So it has been determined in such a way that Z alpha by 2 and there is no degree of freedom concept in Z statistic approach because it is independent of the effect of sample size. So rest of the figures I will explain later. So let's move to the step 4 where we will determine observed or calculated Z statistics. Z is equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma x bar, which is standard error of mean. Here sigma x bar is equal to 10 by 75 and square root and it is equal to 1.155. So Z is equal to 81.5 minus 84 divided by 1.155 is equal to minus 2.165. So as it is less than, so negative sign shows that this Z value is lies on the left side of the distribution. Now come to the conclusion. As we see that minus 2.165 is greater than minus 2.7. Let's move to the diagram again. So look at this minus 2.57 here. So our value is minus 2.165 here. It lies within the surface region. So we are not going to reject the H naught. So we accept the H naught, which state that there was no significant difference in the length of the pictures done between the theaters in the southeastern district and all of the American other theaters. Now we are going to find the intervals or two limits of this two-tailed test. X bar is equal to mu plus minus z standard error of mean. Remember that we will use this z value of the critical region because we are going to determine the two limits of the surface regions. 84 plus minus 2.57 into 1.1557 plus minus 2.97. 84 minus 2.97, 84 plus 2.97. So 81.03, 86.97. So as noticed, 81.57 is greater than 81.3. 03 and fall within the surface region. Now come to the last station of the figure that I have left. Look at this. This is 81.03. This is a limit. Against this we have determined minus 2.57 from the z table and 86.97 against which we have 2.57. This is the region. As you see that the 81.5 is greater than 81.03, which implies that we are going to accept our H naught and reject the alternative hypothesis. Hope you will find this solution useful. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. If you found any mistake regarding calculation, please highlight in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.